What's good, everybody? It's Mario, Mid-South Softwash. Man, we appreciate you guys for tuning in with us today. So we had a customer reach out to us and wanted us to check out this dumpster pad or dumpster enclosure that was pretty unkept, to say the least. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and do our inspection. Actually had a couple of intruders, man, some raccoons we almost had to square up with out here, but you know, they dipped the scene before we had any problems. But anyway, the first thing we're gonna do after we do our inspection is we're gonna go ahead and start disinfecting everything, right? So this is our disinfectant that you see us spraying right here. Man, we're spraying the dumpster, the ground, the walls. We're gonna go ahead and disinfect everything. Like before we even step a foot inside of the dumpster pad, we're gonna disinfect everything. Then we'll go in, we'll start picking up all the trash. Of course, not with our hands. We got, our shovels, brooms, all these different things to pick all of this up. After we get all the trash and everything picked up, we'll go into a rinse stage. Basically, at this point, we're just rinsing out everything, rinsing down the walls, the dumpsters, making sure that we got all of the trash up, picking up anything that may be left over before we call it done. And then after this, it's a wrap. We can go ahead and start wrapping up, putting away all of our equipment, and then of course we got to hit y'all with the money shot. And voila, there you have it. Mid-South Softwash. Appreciate you guys for tuning in again. See y'all on the next one.